Son, what exactly are you asking for here?
A loan?
Barn, tractors, plow, seed, fencing. You know what a mile of fencing could run you?
10 grand?
That's right. Or at least.
Well, we can irrigate 180 acres. That's 200 tons of hay. Enough for 80 head of cattle. Plus, we always sell eggs too. And cream. I was thinking about getting some goats too, for some kind of cheese operation, which I think could be good.
Son, this was a high severity burn. Do you know what that means? It means the land is... You won't have a hay crop for 8 years. Maybe 10. The way the bank sees it, there's no farm here to borrow against for a house, and no house here to borrow against for a farm.